So I'm going to show you how to enable or disable eye comfort shield on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. So you want to go into settings, and then under settings on the left hand side, go to display, tap on that, and then that's where you'll see eye comfort shield. This is where you can enable or disable the eye comfort shield. Now, eye comfort shield basically reduces the blue light being emitted by the screen of your phone or tablet. And when you turn it on and go into the eye comfort shield menu, you can choose a custom level of blue light reduction. How much of that warm light do you want? Or you can just let it be adaptive, which means based on your ambient surrounding and your ambient lighting, your tablet will decide how much of that blue light it wants to block, just to balance between reducing eye strain for you and also legibility of the screen. Okay, when I turn it off, it looks like that. It looks bluish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.